Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the Mcat. First, take a diagnostic exam to pinpoint your strengths and weaknesses. This initial assessment is crucial for tailoring your study plan effectively. Next, develop a structured 6-month schedule, dedicating approximately 20 to 25 hours weekly to content review. Focus on high-yield subjects such as biochemistry and organic chemistry in the first few months. This foundational work will build a strong base for later practice. For effective content review, rely heavily on official resources. They provide the most accurate representation of the exam. Incorporate active learning strategies into your daily routine, such as creating flashcards and using spaced repetition software. This helps solidify information and improves recall. Regularly work through practice passages and questions to apply your knowledge and develop critical thinking skills. Aim for consistent practice to build endurance and familiarity with the test format. After about 3 months of dedicated study, start incorporating full-length practice exams into your schedule, aiming for one every 2 weeks. These simulations are vital for building stamina and managing test day anxiety. Crucially, dedicate significant time to reviewing each exam thoroughly, understanding why answers were correct or incorrect. Use this detailed analysis to identify persistent weaknesses and adjust your study plan accordingly. This iterative process is key to continuous improvement. In the final month leading up to your exam, intensify your practice by taking one full-length test every week. This period should also be dedicated to targeted review of your most challenging topics. Remember to prioritize your well-being. Practice mindfulness and stress reduction techniques to ensure you're calm and focused on test day. A clear mind is just as important as content mastery. Also, for a smarter home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.